What should a landlord do with my tenancy deposit? If you are an assured short-hold tenant within 30 days of receiving your deposit, your landlord must put the deposit into a government-approved tenancy deposit scheme, give you certain information about the scheme, including a signed tenancy deposit certificate. If your landlord does not do this, get advice. You might be able to apply to court for compensation, and whilst the deposit is not protected, your landlord may have difficulty trying to evict you. What happens at the end of the tenancy? A tenancy deposit scheme protects your money until you move out. At the end of the tenancy, take photos of the property and write to your landlord to ask for your deposit back. So long as there is no damage beyond reasonable wear and tear or rent arrears, your landlord should agree for your money to be given back. If you and your landlord cannot agree, contact your tenancy deposit scheme and ask to use their free dispute service. If you do not want to use the dispute service, you may be able to go to court instead, but you may have to pay court costs. If your deposit is not protected, or you are having trouble getting your deposit back, Shelter Cymru can help. Use the resources on our website, send us an email, or call Shelter Cymru's Expert Housing Advice line on 0345 075 5005